Plain walls don't inspire. But what if your walls could glow with natural beauty and wellness? At Pink Salt Wall, we turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences. Our salt bricks are cut with precision, sharp edges, and made from the finest Himalayan salt. Every brick shines with unique hues of pink, amber, and orange, perfect for spas, wellness centers, or your home. For slimmer designs, our salt tiles deliver the same natural beauty in a thinner style. Perfect for panels, backdrops, or elegant walls. Available in multiple sizes to fit your vision. To keep it all together, we created Saltite, a strong, long-lasting adhesive made just for Himalayan salt. More durable than ordinary glues, Saltite keeps your salt wall standing for years. Beyond the glow, salt walls create calming ambiance, support wellness, and transform any room into a sanctuary of peace. Ready to transform your space? Shop now at pinksaltwall.com. Link in the description.